Introducing the FlexQube Navigator AMR with roller load carrier. This is the latest innovation within our ecosystem of load carriers designed with automatic rollers. The standalone AMR couples with the load carrier through a standardized coupling interface. When coupled, the AMR raises itself from the ground, whereby the load carrier takes over to transport the materials. The coupling interface allows for the AMR Navigator to detect the dimensions of the load carrier and adjusts the safety fields around the cart. The load carrier transports the materials to the drop-off area and connects to the roller rack. The height of the load carrier is adjusted to the roller rack for smooth delivery of materials. Automatic rollers pushes the materials from the load carrier to the roller rack. When loaded with materials, the steel rack is automatically transferred back onto the load carrier. It then transports the materials to the production line.